Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Honda Odyssey's maintenance light. This simple process can be done right at home, saving you a trip to the mechanic. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip meter reset button on your dashboard. You'll need to press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. After holding the trip meter button, you'll notice the oil life display starts to flash. This indicates you're on the right track. Release the button as soon as it begins flashing. Then, immediately press and hold the trip meter button one more time. Keep holding it for about 5 additional seconds until the display changes. Once you've held the button for the second time, the oil life display should change to show 100% or indicate that the reset is complete. This means you've successfully cleared the maintenance reminder. You can now release the button. Finally, turn off your ignition. When you restart your vehicle, the maintenance light should be off. Remember, resetting the maintenance light only clears the reminder. It doesn't replace your oil. Always ensure you've performed the necessary maintenance, like an oil change, before resetting the light to keep your vehicle running smoothly. For more helpful tips and great deals, including smart speakers, check out the link in the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this helped.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.